सब्सक्राइबर्स, कभी आपके दिल की घंटी बजी है या नहीं ये मुझे नहीं पता, पर चैनल की घंटी अगर बजी तो मुझे ज़रूर पता लगेगा, तो भूलना नहीं।
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So yes, a lot of you guys have been asking about a shopping vlog since a really long time on my Instagram and on the comment section of FC Road and MG Road vlog that I did. If you have not watched it already, go watch it. I'll put the links in the description below. तो जयपुर में आने के बाद मैंने शॉपिंग व्लॉग्स एक्चुअली किए नहीं हैं. दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट वन. सो हम लोग जा रहे हैं ब्रांड फैक्ट्री के फ्री शॉपिंग वीकेंड पे. Sounds pretty interesting, right? So yes, it sounded interesting to me and my friend also. तो हम लोगों ने बुक कर लिया है passes, that is the general pass. Premium pass भी आता है which is about 250 rupees for 2 people. So we have booked a general one because we didn't want to just wake up pretty early during the weekend. So हमने book किया है general pass which was 100 rupees and it also admits 2 people. So yes, we're gonna go and check out what do we have in the store for us. So booked my Uber already and yes, चलिए शुरू करते हैं टेक्निकल गुरुजी की स्टाइल में and I will also introduce you to my friend then. We have already reached and my friend is here with me. Sonali, say hi to my vlog. Hi. So what do you think? तो आज लास्ट डे है इस फ्री शॉपिंग वीकेंड का. What do you think? We're going to get anything और सब कुछ ऑलरेडी स्टॉक जा चुका होगा?
Yeah, actually the stock is, I think, it's the last day and we don't know what are we going to get it over there, but still we are going to see like how it goes on and we are really excited for it.
So if you can see at the back there is this board that says you have to shop for like 5,000 rupees and pay only 2,000, and that 2,000 rupees also you get back in form of some coupons and stuff like that. So yeah, let's. So guys, even though it's the last day, look at the crowd at the back. कितना टाइम लग जाएगा अंदर घुसने में?
We'll see, it will take approximately 20 minutes and we hope like really fast. Okay, now bye.
अंदर तो आ गए हैं गाइस, बट ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये ब्रांड फैक्ट्री नहीं कोई फिश मार्केट हो. इतनी ज़्यादा क्राउड है. लेट्स सी क्या हम खोज पाते हैं यहाँ पे.
सारे किसी से
कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. सोनाली, डोंट यू थिंक वी कैन डू अ चैलेंज वीडियो हियर कि किसको फर्स्ट चीज़ पहले मिलती है?
we are not getting anything. We have to take this challenge. But it's like so fish market over there. We don't know how we are going to get it.
I don't know. I'm definitely going to put a timer or something कि फर्स्ट क्लोथ मुझे कब मिला है, कितने टाइम के सोच के बाद. Finally in the changing room, and to be very honest, never had such a crazy experience picking up stuff. Finally got a few stuff. Let's try, and yeah, won't suggest it to anyone who is as impatient as me. बहुत पेशेंस चाहिए भाई ऐसे शॉपिंग करने में. तो दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टाइम. अब आ ही गई हूँ तो I thought at least I should get something. So let's try. Doesn't look that bad. And let me check out the price. So this one is like $12.99, and the second thing that I'm wearing is super cool. I didn't have a shirt like this since the longest time now, and I really love the fabric and everything. Yes, I'm gonna keep it. I would give it as a 6 on 10. So देखते हैं ये मैं लेती हूँ या नहीं. Maybe. This one is like $17.99. The fourth one that I'm wearing is also a dress. This is basically off shoulder and fits well, and the color really looks good on me. Maybe I will take it. So the fourth dress is $13.99, and I think I'll pick it. And what I'm wearing right now is my favorite pick. इसको मैंने देखते ही pick कर लिया था. It looks like it is made for me. I really like it, so I'm gonna pick it for sure. Next is this track pant that I've taken for my dad, so I hope he likes it. So yeah, now finally I'm gonna go outside because maybe a lot of people are waiting, and I really feel I should sit for some time and relax, but no, that would not be right. So I'm gonna quickly go out. Hi. Can't believe जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया था उसके ऊपर टैग ही नहीं है. I hope they don't create a fuss about that. I really want it.
When I say that I had the most craziest experience while shopping this time, people were literally eating there, sitting there from long hours in the queue.
Guys, standing in this long queue is such a wastage of time, so I think it's better to shop normally than to shop like this. Finally done with the shopping. Can't believe कि I did it actually. My friend, I don't know where she is, tried to call her a lot of times. Yeah, waiting for her to come out. Let's see when she's done with her shopping, and very excited to see what all stuff she's actually bringing, taking a lot of time to bring. I can't believe that we are done with this, and I almost paid how much did I pay? Yeah, I almost paid 2,442 rupees and got like 6 things, so not a bad deal. Also 2 of these vouchers of worth ₹600 जो कि आप यूज़ कर सकते हो कभी भी आने वाले टाइम में, but these won't be applicable on already ongoing offers that Brand Factory has. So अभी मैं बैठी हूँ एक कैफ़े में. Okay, cheers Sonali, just so you know that I am actually missing you while having this. Yeah. Okay, so now I finally have energy to go back home. Guys, to be very honest, अगर आपने ये vlog end तक देखा है तो you might even notice we started in the afternoon. It is almost 7 and yeah, I am pretty tired. Hi guys, so finally I'm back home. Waiting for my friend still. She said that she'll take around 1.5 hours more. I waited for around 1.5 hours, but then there was no other place to sit and wait, so I came home really excited to see कि ऐसा क्या उठा के वो वहाँ से लेके आने वाली है. Till then, let me show you all those things that I got and let me know if this was really worth it.
So the first top that I got is from the brand called Hey. Second one is from Jealous 21. Third one is again from Hey. Fourth one is a dress from Lee Cooper. Fifth one is a trouser that I got for my dad from the brand called Umbro. And the sixth one is this free merchandise. So all of them were like 2,442 rupees with these 2 vouchers worth 600 each, and also got like 300 rupees in future pay.
Okay, so now that I've shown you everything that I got from there, let me know in the comment section below that if this was really worth it, and also लेट मी नो कि आप ये करना पसंद करेंगे या नहीं, बिकॉज फॉर मी इट वॉज not anything less than an adventure, to be very honest. So इतनी मेहनत के बाद please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. बिना बेल आइकन दबाए कहीं मत जाना. I'll see you next time. Keep smiling.